if you have done articleship in a Big Four and you're continuing in the Big Four, then you can earn up to that amount. And anyway, in 3 years, you can earn up to 20 lakh aram se. And when you're doing CA, you're very isolated. You are in your room, you're working, you're studying 24/7. Then I became a CA. That was very relieving कि भाई अभी एग्जाम देने नहीं बैठना है, पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है.
How is a CA working at PwC dancing on Shiksha Shak?
उनके बैच में there was this girl who had rejected a seat from IIM Ahmedabad and went into MICA. Do you know Siddhant Chaturvedi? The actor गली बॉय वाला. ये उसका CA फाइनली बाकी था.
Hey guys, मैं हूँ चैतन्य नवाथे, आपका होस्ट. आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल. वेलकम टू सीजन 3 ऑफ अबव द एवरेज. सीजन 3 is going to be similar to season 1 and 2. 10 episodes रहेंगे, 10 guests, 10 different careers and fields. The only difference is in-person podcasts. I'm really happy with it. सब shooting, editing सब बहुत quickly and बहुत अच्छे से हुआ. But due to all of this being so quick and fast and everything, I have not been able to shoot any intros for every episode. So यही intro आपको हर बार दिखने वाला है. So अगर आप ये 7वीं 8वीं 10वीं बार देख रहे हो तो what go skip, let's go into the episode. Hello and welcome to this episode of Above the Average Season 3. Today with me I have Manav Sethi. Hi Manav.
Hi.
Interesting way that I met him actually for a MICA interview. We were in the same group.
Yeah, for the group exercise.
So the group exercise.
Yeah.
And that's how we met. There are 2 more guests lined up from that group. So we'll get to know them as well. For now, Manav, I'll let you introduce yourself. Please tell us about your journey because you're a CA and now you're going towards MICA, which is a marketing-oriented college. So please introduce yourself.
So my name is Manav Sethi. I'm from Mumbai and I've done CA, but now I want to switch my career to marketing. So yeah, it's a big switch. So that's the basic gist of my introduction.
Let's start with CA only. So there are many people who want to become a CA. There are many CAs that come out every year and there's high competition.
Yeah.
You work at PwC. Used to work at
PwC.
So what was the day that you realized कि हाँ CA करना है?
Yeah. So first of all, I'll tell you why I took commerce.
Okay.
After 10th, during 10th I did not like chemistry at all.
Okay.
So I thought कि chemistry is compulsory in all the subjects like PCM, PCB, C is compulsory. So it was a easy elimination कि अच्छा commerce. And arts भी option था, but arts के इतने subjects जो optional subjects होते हैं वो available नहीं थे मेरे school में. So that's why I took commerce.
Okay.
Then I really liked accounting and costing.
Okay.
I also liked economics, but majorly I like costing and accounting. So then I thought, what's the best thing I can do, which will give me like good money when I pass out. So that was CA, and it was also a difficult thing, so it seemed like a challenge.
Okay.
So I thought कि ये करते हैं. And also there is this bias. I don't think it affected because my dad wanted me to do science, but my dad is also a CA.
Acha.
So
he's a CA, but he wanted you to do science.
Yeah.
Great. So once you got into commerce and then you gave CA का first level in your college, right?
Yeah. So you 12th के boards होते हैं around in April. April में.
नहीं. हाँ. Somewhat.
March, April में. I don't remember now.
Yeah.
So, and I think in April. March and April starting में होते हैं. And that time CA का entrance was in June.
Okay.
So I gave my entrance in June 2017. Okay. I had a school friend along with me that was giving. His name was Ronak actually. He's my best friend, one of my best friends. So we both started our journey together, and we also passed out in the same attempt. So we became CAs in the same attempt, and then we both worked in PwC also for a year.
अच्छा.
Yeah, he's still working, but then I did. So I gave my entrance in June 2017. I cleared it, and then my CA intermediate, the level 2, that attempt was in May 2018.
So you cleared the first attempt.
Entrance, yeah.
Level 1 in first attempt.
Level 1 in first attempt. At that time, it was MCQ.
Okay.
Now it is partly MCQ and partly written.
Acha.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I feel that time it was easier because it was MCQ. I prefer MCQs over writing the answers. Objective over subjective.
Still CA बनना difficult था, तो why was it difficult कि वो बहुत detailed होता है?
Yeah,
questions?
so CA में entry is easy but exit is difficult, and usually for engineering entry is difficult but exit is pretty easy. Once you get into a good college, then you're sorted, right? In engineering. So CA में उल्टा है, because then you have difficult hurdles like intermediate, the level 2. It has 2 groups. It has 8 subjects that you have to clear. 4 subjects in each group.
Okay.
And you have to get in individual subjects you have to get 40 plus. हर एक subject 100 marks का होता है. Individual subject you have to get a 40 plus, and overall in the group you have to get 200 plus. So basically if you get 50 plus in all the subjects, then you are sorted.
Okay.
So it's very tough clearing these levels.
Level 2.
Yeah, level 2, and then there is level 3 CA final, because the syllabus is really vast.
Okay.
It like you must have seen photos of the CAs who have passed out. They usually take a photos with all their books, and all their books are above their height usually,
Right.
because the portion is really vast.
Okay. So level 1 for you was in one attempt. Level 2 में did you take attempt?
Yeah, so level 2 I gave both groups together in May 2018. I cleared one group in the first go. That was group 1. Group 2 I didn't clear.
Okay.
So then I gave group 2, but I didn't study really well for it.
For the group 2.
नहीं दोनों ही, मतलब ऐसे इतने ज़्यादा एफर्ट लगा के नहीं पढ़ा था मैंने. तो आई वाज लाइक कि हो गया ग्रुप 1, तो मुझे ऐसा था कि ठीक है इतना नहीं पढ़ता हूँ तो अब. तो फिर मैंने जब वापस पढ़ा नवंबर 2018 के लिए फॉर ग्रुप 2, तो मैंने इतना ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ा था, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. सो आई गॉट 190 or 180 something out
Just
of 200.
2-3 marks below the passing.
10 marks. 200 is the passing.
Okay, 10 marks.
So I didn't clear in November 2018.
Okay.
And then I was like, May 2019 में तो clear करना ही है.
Okay.
At that time, I told you that a friend of mine who started with me, Ronak, yeah. So he also had his group 2 pending, and we both then studied together for May 2019.
Oh, साथ में
हम एक साथ घर में पढ़ते थे. और हम अपने अपने लेक्चर्स देखते थे. बट यू नो इफ देयर इज समवन अलोंग विद यू देन इट गेट्स इजियर, बिकॉज यू कैन यू नो टॉक, अच्छा ये क्या क्या तूने ये क्या क्या, यू चेक विद ईच अदर. सो इट हेल्दी कंपटीशन अच्छा होता है. सो वी बोथ स्टडीड फॉर May 2019, and that time elections were happening.
Okay.
So our exam got postponed by 15 days.
The same thing is happening this year, right?
This year no, this year they haven't postponed. They have planned it accordingly.
Okay.
So इस साल relief नहीं मिला, but हमको उस समय बहुत relief मिल गया था. We were like really excited, and because 15 days of extra prep is really good. मतलब it's very beneficial, and हमारे पास time कम था उस समय, तो हमें लगा कि नहीं अच्छा है. तो we both then studied we both cleared in May 2019. हाँ, and we got 60 plus in all the subjects. So if you get 60 plus in a subject, say if you fail, then you don't have to give that subject again.
हाँ, 4 में से एक में अगर 60 आया तो वो exemption.
हाँ, exemption, yeah, exemption. So we got 60 plus in all the subjects. In fact, Ronak got 80 plus in one of the subjects. So हम लोग को था कि हमने साथ में पढ़ा और निकाल लिया, तो it was really happy because हम दोनों ही clear हो गए ना.
Okay.
So that was really good. By that time I had started my articleship. So you can start your articleship. It's basically a 3-year compulsory internship. So I started my articleship in November 2018. So when I gave my group 2,
Okay.
I started it. I thought कि time waste नहीं करता हूँ. You can start your articleship if you clear one of the groups. So I started my articleship, and I joined a firm near my house because मुझे travel कम करना था, क्योंकि group 2 के लिए पढ़ना था मुझे. So when I cleared Group 2, then I switched my firms. I went to Bansi Mehta. Bansi S Mehta, it's a good firm in South Bombay,
Okay.
near CST basically.
Okay.
So they are very well known for tax.
अच्छा.
So I worked there. I worked in audit. Majorly, but then for the last 4-5 months I worked in tax.
अच्छा.
So during articleship, I had experience of both audit and tax. And the first firm that I was working in, they taught me the work that was there was related to accounting, GST returns, TDS, all the compliance things.
Okay.
So I had gotten a taste कि CA बनने के बाद क्या क्या काम रहता है इन तीनों में. हाँ,
सब कुछ हो गया.
या सो आई न्यू कि मुझे ये तीनों तो करनी ही नहीं है.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि मैंने ये तीनों करके देख लिए थे.
Okay.
तो फिर सो आफ्टर 3 आई टोल्ड यू 3 years की आर्टिकलशिप होती है, राइट? सो माय CA फाइनल वाज ड्यू इन December 2021. It was usually it's November, but due to COVID there had been some disruption in the attempts.
Okay.
तो 1 महीना आगे हो गया. तो I gave my exam in December 2021, and by that time I knew that I did not want to do anything. So एक थोड़ा साइड ट्रैक करता हूँ मैं कि CA usually जो कोर जॉब्स रहते हैं CA के, I'll tell you that. One is you go into taxation, direct taxation, indirect taxation. You can either go into compliances or litigation. Okay. And the second is audit. Audit में फिर सब आ जाता है, internal audit, the normal audit, and फिर होता है finance में भी many people go. Finance, yeah, finance.
Okay.
So they manage the finances of the company, and they later go on to become the CFOs of the company.
Okay.
They usually do CFA along with
अच्छा.
CA.
Okay.
So that's a good combination.
Okay.
And the fourth is people go into investment banking. So these are there could be 1 or 2 I might be missing, but majorly HR है.
हाँ.
तो मुझे था कि ऑडिट और टैक्स में नहीं जाना और कंप्लायंसेस में भी नहीं जाना. तो आई वाज लाइक कि मुझे कोर फील्ड में तो जाना ही नहीं है CA के, बट मेरा सिर्फ फाइनल बाकी था. एंड इट यूजुअली बेनिफिट्स यू एज अ CA इफ सॉरी फिफ्थ अनदर ऑप्शन इज कंसल्टिंग. CAs also go in consulting, management consulting, and in general overall advisory consulting, SAS में भी जाते हैं. तो मुझे था कि and I had an interest for marketing.
Okay. तभी.
Since the start. When I started CA also I had interest.
Okay.
But I didn't go for it. I was like ठीक है देखते हैं.
Like कॉमर्स में कोई सब्जेक्ट था इसलिए कि you knew.
कॉमर्स में BCom में हाँ मैंने BCom भी किया है साथ में. तो वो उधर अटेंडेंस नहीं था, सिर्फ एग्जाम देने जाना पड़ता था. तो उधर एक सब्जेक्ट था मार्केटिंग का. तो मुझे बचपन से ही मार्केटिंग पसंद है. वैसे जैसे टीवी के कोई कार्टून देखो ऐड आ जाते थे ना, तो मैं ऐड देखता था. आई लाइक एड्स. सो आई रियली हैड इंटरेस्ट फॉर मार्केटिंग सिंस द स्टार्टिंग. एंड BCom में भी जब कोई मार्केटिंग से रिलेटेड सब्जेक्ट होता था एक दो थे, अब मुझे याद नहीं है, बट उसमें मुझे इंटरेस्ट आता था काफी. सो बिफोर दैट आई न्यू कि मुझे कोर फील्ड में जाना है, एंड इट्स बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू एज अ CA इफ यू गो इनटू द कोर फील्ड. तब ग्रोथ बहुत जल्दी होती है. अ CA इन ऑडिट कैन गेट अर्न अप टू 25 lakhs in if they work for 3 years. 3 to 3.5 years.
At Big Four or?
Big Four. If you have done articleship in Big Four and you're continuing in the Big Four, then you can earn up to that amount. And anyway, in 3 years you can earn up to 20 lakh आराम से.
अच्छा.
If you work in audit, audit or tax, because these are the core fields. But the workload is really bad. You have to work. So I knew कि मुझे कोर फील्ड में नहीं जाना है, और फिर मुझे लगा कि मुझे तो मार्केटिंग में जाना है, मेरा तभी से मन था. But it was too much of a switch, so I told myself कि if I'm able to do something I don't like, because I didn't really want to do anything about CA, right? So I was like, if I can do something I don't like through hard work and discipline, then I can do anything which I like. बाद में. So it was like for myself, for self confidence. कि मैंने सोचा कि फिर CA फाइनली बचा है, and it anyway didn't make sense. अगर CA फाइनली बचा है तो वो करके जाओ. तो फिर इसलिए फिर मैंने सोचा कि नहीं, अच्छे से पढ़ के करते हैं. There was also a Mike Tyson quote that I had kept as a wallpaper. I won't be able to paraphrase it correctly, but it went along the lines कि discipline is not doing what you like. Discipline is doing something that you don't like as you love it.
As if you love it.
Yeah, as if you love it.
Nice. Wow.
हाँ. So that मतलब all these were my motivations.
Great.
So then I gave my CA final in December 2019. I didn't clear it. I didn't clear any subject.
Okay.
I got, what were the marks that I got? It was close. It was close. I really studied for it.
Okay.
मतलब मैंने अच्छे से पढ़ाई की थी उसके लिए, बट माई स्ट्रैटेजीज वर रॉन्ग.
Okay.
आई विल टेल यू अबाउट इट बाद में कि क्या स्ट्रैटेजी वगैरह.
Before you go ahead, जब ये level 3 दिया तभी आर्टिकलशिप चल रहा था कि
नहीं. सो आर्टिकलशिप में लास्ट 4 months दे गिव यू लीव.
अच्छा.
सो बेसिकली 3 years का होता है, तो 2.5 years का एक्चुअल वर्क होता है. फिर बाद में 6 months 5 months पीपल गेट लीव फॉर स्टडिंग.
अच्छा.
इट इज अ रूल बाय ICI दैट यू हैव टू गिव 4 months लीव
Okay.
फॉर स्टडिंग. तो अभी तो वैसे 2 years का हो गया आर्टिकलशिप. पहले 3 years का था. अभी न्यू रेजिम में 2 years का ही हो गया. So that is better. So I didn't clear any of the subject. It was really close. I got I think 390 or 380. But it was close.
You need 400.
Yeah, it was close. But I didn't put my whole into it, I would say. But because when I didn't clear, I then told myself that I have to clear this. Because when I didn't clear, right? So my result and my mom, dad, my brother, they had seen me studying for it, right? And when you're doing CA, you're very isolated. You are in your room, you're working, you're studying 24/7. Even if you go out for like an hour to meet your friends. That is also once in a week. So it is काफी self isolation होता है उसमें. तो my mom, dad, brother, they had seen कि इसने पढ़ाई की है. ऐसा नहीं, अगर पढ़ाई नहीं की होती तो दुख ही नहीं होता. तो पढ़ाई की थी और नहीं हुआ, एक भी सब्जेक्ट नहीं हुआ. तो माई मॉम गॉट लाइक माई मॉम वॉज ईटिंग हर फूड एंड रिजल्ट आया. तो मैंने देखा कि नहीं हुआ, मैंने बताया नहीं हुआ. तो शी ऑलमोस्ट प्यूक्ड, यू नो. उनको ऐसे इतना बुरा लगा. एंड एवरीवन वाज कॉलिंग माई मॉम कि क्या है रिजल्ट.
अच्छा, कॉल्स आ रहे थे.
हाँ, रिलेटिव्स के, क्योंकि सीए का रिजल्ट आता है तो पता लगता है. तो फिर उनको रिलेटिव्स के कॉल आ रहे थे, आजू बाजू के फैमिली फ्रेंड्स के कॉल आ रहे थे कि क्या है रिजल्ट, क्या है. तो उन्हें ऐसे बोलने नहीं हो रहा था कि नहीं हुआ. एंड ऑल, यू नो, शी वाज फीलिंग बैड. तो दैट वाज अ बिट ऑफ मोटिवेशन फॉर मी कि यू नो कि आई डोंट वांट हर टू फील दिस अगेन. कि मुझे अपने लिए नहीं तो करना ही है, बट एक बार उनको भी पीस मिल जाएगा, कर दूंगा. तो इन May 2022 my attempt was due and I got my result in Feb 2022. तो फरवरी में रिजल्ट आता है. दिसंबर में जो दिया था मैंने, उसका फेब में रिजल्ट आया. एंड आई हैड अ पर्सनल थिंग आल्सो बिफोर दैट. सो मैं पहले ही नीचे था.
अच्छा.
एंड उसके बाद रिजल्ट नहीं आया, तो इट वाज लाइक माय रॉक बॉटम.
ओके.
तो आई वाज लाइक देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग दैट कुड गो नाउ. एंड आई ऑर्डर्ड माय बुक्स फॉर द न्यू अटेम्प्ट एंड सेम डे. शाम को ही मैंने ऑर्डर कर लिया और नेक्स्ट दिन से मैंने पढ़ना. उस दिन मैं थोड़ा सा रोया हूँगा, बट उसके बाद मुझे लगा कि अगर दुख बनाना है तो इसी दिन बनाओ. आई ऑल्सो गेव अ ट्रीट टू माई फ्रेंड्स इन मैकडी when I didn't clear.
अच्छा.
I had seen a scene from MS Dhoni, if you've seen MS Dhoni की film. So when he didn't get selected, he took his friends out to eat something. And he was like, मुझे ये दिन याद रखना है.
Nice.
So I took my friends to eat McD.
Great.
तो हम लोग McD खा के आए और फिर अगले दिन से मैंने पढ़ना चालू कर दिया. And this time I knew what my mistakes were. So I made sure कि मैं वो mistakes वापस ना करूँ पढ़ाई में. I did cumulative revision. I did everything that I can. I studied for like, at the peak, I think I studied for 15 hours a day.
Wow.
For those 2.5 months, because I had to cover all the 8 subjects from February to May. So basically आधा February, March, April, May में, आधे May में चला. तो 3 months थे मेरे पास पूरे subjects cover करने के लिए. And it's really difficult to cover 3 subjects क्योंकि तब तक मैं सब भूल गया था. अभी दिसंबर में मैंने एग्जाम दिया था, फेब में रिजल्ट आया. तब तक तो फिर मैं घूमने भी चला गया, तो सब भूल चुका था मैं. तो आई हैड लाइक 3 months फॉर दोस 8 subjects, so that was really intense. So I and my friend that I told you, Ronak, उसका भी अटेम्प्ट था मई में. उसका फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट था. अच्छा, फर्स्ट. मेरा सेकंड अटेम्प्ट था. तो मैंने उसे बताया था कि जो गलती मैंने की वो तो नहीं करनी है. एंड उसने काफी स्ट्रेटेजिकली पढ़ाई की. उसका आई न्यू कि उसका तो होगा ही. तो मुझे लगा कि नहीं, दोनों को साथ में करना है, दोनों को खुशी, मतलब यू नो, अगर दोनों में से किसी एक का भी नहीं हो तो इतनी खुशी नहीं होगी. तो फिर हम दोनों ने दिया फिर फाइनली. and we cleared. And one more thing that I'm proud of is I kept balance. I used to work out daily. I used to
Okay.
study. I used to meet my friends for half an hour और call पे बात होती थी. तो I kept balance this time.
Nice.
सिर्फ पढ़ाई नहीं, मतलब
हाँ.
मुझे था कि मुझे बैलेंस रखना है.
Okay.
तो फिर मैंने बैलेंस रखा. That was that I felt more proud of that.
Okay.
And then I cleared in May 2022.
हाँ.
Then I became a CA. That was very relieving कि भाई अभी एग्जाम देने नहीं बैठना है, पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है. Unless it got to CAT.
दे ही दी वापस एग्जाम.
हाँ, but मुझे था नहीं, मुझे लगा कि हो गया अब मेरा.
अच्छा. At
तो-
that time you didn't think कि CAT देना है.
नहीं, that time I didn't think.
Okay.
I was like अभी करेंगे chill.
Okay.
फिर job placement. So ICI, the CA's governing body, they have a campus placement. तो वो कैंपस प्लेसमेंट हुआ एंड तब मैंने और जॉब्स भी अप्लाई किए थे. आई अप्लाइड. सो कैंपस प्लेसमेंट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम जुलाई. इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम जुलाई. नो सॉरी, माय रिजल्ट केम आउट इन जुलाई.
Okay. 2022.
या मई 2022 में
हाँ.
एग्जाम था, जुलाई में रिजल्ट आया.
हाँ.
एंड कैंपस प्लेसमेंट्स वर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम मिड अगस्त.
अच्छा.
So there was a 1 month gap when I had cleared, but I still had to wait for the campus placement. So I started applying through LinkedIn, through Naukri, through other sources. So I gave, because I thought कि अगर campus में बैठ रहा हूँ तो उसके पहले interview की भी practice हो जाएगी ना, और जगह दूंगा तो. So the only interviews that I got were tax and audit. And I knew कि मुझे tax और audit तो करना नहीं है. But मुझे लगा interview की practice हो जाएगी. So I went and gave those interviews. So if I gave like 6 interviews, I cleared 5. I got the job offer from 5.
Nice.
So that was nice. And I really had to fake it in the interviews. They were asking, why do you want to do tax? Why do you want to do audit? I was like, I'm really passionate. So
You're marketing yourself.
yeah. So then in campus, the campus placement, I got एक कंसल्टिंग की प्रोफाइल आई थी फॉर PwC.
Okay.
इट वाज इन द एडवाइजरी डोमेन ऑफ PwC. तो आई थॉट कि इसको ट्राई आउट करते हैं, क्योंकि मैंने एलिमिनेशन मेथड से बाकी तो एलिमिनेट कर दिया. एंड आई डिडंट वांट टू गो इनटू कोर फाइनेंस. कोर फाइनेंस एज इन एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू स्टॉक मार्केट्स,
हाँ.
बिकॉज आई डोंट फाइंड दैट इंटरेस्टिंग इन लॉन्ग टर्म. सो मुझे उसमें नहीं जाना था.
Okay.
तो आई हैड एलिमिनेटेड दैट. फाइनेंस, टैक्स, कंप्लायंस,
Audit.
ऑडिट. सो कंसल्टिंग बचा.
Last.
हाँ.
बचता है.
ऑल्दो फाइनेंस का मुझे वो एस्पेक्ट अच्छा लगता है कि आई एम मैनेजिंग द फाइनेंसेस ऑफ द होल कंपनी, बट देन यू वोंट गेट दैट जॉब इन द स्टार्ट. वो लेटर स्टेज पे मिलती है. आई वाज लाइक आई कैन लेटर स्टेज पे मैं तो खुद की कंपनी खोल के खुद ही कर लूंगा वो तो.
Nice. Okay.
तो देन आई गॉट द जॉब इन कंसल्टिंग. माय जॉब स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम September 2022. I worked there for a year till September 2023. I only worked there for a year because we had gotten a joining bonus of 1 lakh and I had to work there for a year. Unless अगर नहीं किया तो मुझे वापस पे बैक करना पड़ेगा. like कर लेते हैं भाई. So and while I was working, I did not enjoy that work at all. I was in tech consulting basically.
Okay.
टेक कंसल्टिंग में CA का कोई नॉलेज एज सच यूज नहीं होता है. दे ओनली टेक CAs बिकॉज इफ दे वर्क ऑन अ सॉफ्टवेयर फॉर अ क्लाइंट which is a production planning software or accounting software. So they can tell their clients ki, you know, we have a CA with us for credibility. Because it's accounting software, तो उनको लगेगा कि अच्छा CAs भी काम कर रहे हैं इस पे, तो they have this satisfaction. तो वो काम था and I really did not like the work.
Okay.
But my team was really good. Like I have like 3-4 friends from there who I'm still in connect with. I've left my job in September 2023, but we still hang out.
Nice.
So I got some good friends out of that job. So yeah, then I made my mind in February that I want to do CAT. मतलब मुझे marketing में जाना है.
So while sitting at PwC, doing from September to February, you were thinking कि CAT करना है कि नहीं करना कि?
I was thinking.
Okay.
I was thinking कि CAT करना है कि नहीं करना, because I was like, bro, ये job तो नहीं होगा मुझसे
अच्छा.
पूरे time. Although it was not hectic at all. It was really chill.
Okay.
But इतना काम मुझे इतना नहीं पसंद आता था ना, क्या बताऊँ मैं. Like if I used to work, I used to feel that आई एम लेटिंग माई सेल्फ गो, लाइक मेरा सोल बाहर निकल रहा है. मतलब मुझे तो बहुत ही खराब लगता था काम जो था वहाँ पे, बिकॉज इट डिडंट इन्वॉल्व एनी क्रिएटिविटी विच आई परसीव एज क्रिएटिविटी. वो अब उधर थी नहीं और मेरा इतना दिमाग यूज नहीं हो रहा था वहाँ पे, एंड आई वांटेड अ जॉब जहाँ पे मेरा दिमाग यूज हो. तो
सो लाइक जो चैलेंज के लिए सीए किया था वो चैलेंज ही नहीं था जॉब में,
हाँ,
राइट?
एंड आई लाइक चैलेंजेस, क्योंकि डिफिकल्ट चीज करने में मजा आता है. इजी चीज करके इतना मजा नहीं आता. मतलब द थिंग, क्या बोलते हैं, द हैप्पीनेस दैट यू गेट is different. So yeah.
Okay, you were saying CAT का, then how did that come about?
हाँ, so I decided CAT करना है. So in February, yeah, in March 1st my classes started. I went for offline classes at IMS. I did my CAT prem from IMS.
Nice.
It was really good.
Okay.
IMS is really good. Their online portal is really, shout out to IMS. Their online portal is really good.
Yeah.
So I went to IMS. It was offline. Weekend को ही लिया था मैंने, weekend batches, because I was working ना then. I had work from home usually, but still I took weekend classes.
Okay.
I studied for it. That time also I had kept balance. कि मैं अपने दोस्तों से मिलता था regularly. I was working out. I was doing basically everything in balance. पढ़ाई भी balance में करा था. तो I really, the core thing that I wanted was I wanted balance. कि मैं बैलेंस के साथ करूँ चीज़ें, क्योंकि आइसोलेशन से भी कर सकता हूँ, बट आई थॉट कि लाइक आई हैड डन दैट इन सीए एंड आई थॉट दैट्स नॉट वर्थ इट.
You did that in the first attempt जहाँ पे नहीं हुआ था.
हाँ, बट वो नहीं होने की वजह से नहीं, बट आई वाज लाइक कि you lose connect with all those people that you love, so why to do that? I mean हम philosophical है, बट हम अर्थ पे क्यों है, और लोग भी है.
Right.
तो आई डिड इट विद बैलेंस, एंड नवंबर में था, मेरी क्लासेस खत्म हो गई थी जून जुलाई में. So I had 2-3 months of self prep.
Okay.
I gave all the mocks. मेरे IMS के पोर्टल के सारे मॉक्स खत्म हो गए थे, सारे टेस्ट खत्म हो गए थे. I gave everything.
Like 30-40 marks, right?
Yeah, in total I gave around 60 mocks. I think.
Wow.
60-65 mocks.
By the way, people might not know yet, you have scored 98.52%
98.52%.
in CAT
Yeah.
2023.
Yeah,
Great.
correct.
Yeah, please continue.
Then during my coaching, one of the professors said, वो ऐसे कॉलेजेस, अच्छे कॉलेजेस के नाम ले रहे थे, तो माइका का उन्होंने बोला, एंड ही टोल्ड मेका ऑफ मार्केटिंग. और मुझे मार्केटिंग में जाना था. मुझे पता था कि अगर मैं MBA कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे मार्केटिंग में करना है. नो डाउट अबाउट इट कि मुझे फाइनेंस में भी जाना है कि नहीं जाना, क्योंकि अगर मुझे फील्ड स्विच करनी है फ्रॉम CA, दैट इज प्राइमरीली फाइनेंस, टू marketing, then I have to do MBA, or else the job that I will get now won't be, I think, मतलब रोल अच्छा नहीं मिलेगा, पे भी डेफिनेटली अच्छा नहीं मिलेगा. तो इसलिए मुझे MBA करना था. एंड आई हैड वन गोल इन माइंड ड्यूरिंग MBA, दैट वाज IIM अहमदाबाद. IIM अहमदाबाद का लगा रहा था मैंने, लगाया था वॉलपेपर मेरे लैपटॉप पे, सामने IIM अहमदाबाद लिखा था. बट आई ऑल्सो हैड वन मोर कॉलेज, माइका ओनली इन माइंड. आई हैड, क्योंकि मुझे मार्केटिंग का था, तो IIM अहमदाबाद इज रियली गुड फॉर मार्केटिंग, राइट? एंड ऑब्वियसली टॉप 3 IIM तीनों ही अच्छे हैं. IIM ABC. अभी मुझे B मिलता तो मैं चले जाता, वो तो है ही, बट स्टिल आई हैड माइका इन माइंड, कि मैं सबको बोलता था कि माइका भी एक अच्छा कॉलेज है, बिकॉज ही टोल्ड कि मेका ऑफ मार्केटिंग है. तो मेरा उससे वो क्लिक हो गया, और फिर मैंने जाके देखा reviews or what the students say about Mica, and it was really positive, and their placement and all is also really good.
And majority लोग creative दिखते हैं उधर.
हाँ, exactly, yeah. And their the companies which come there also hire for the creative marketing jobs, क्योंकि वो marketing specific college है, right?
Yeah.
So इसलिए then I didn't get into. Then the results came out CAT के, फिर IIM का वो आया कट ऑफ, उसके बीच में मैं I gave the MyCAT entrance, माइका का जो entrance है, I scored 18 on that.
Okay.
तो I had gotten a message on the group from someone, from some professor, he was like 15 plus आया तो हो जाएगा. But then I went online, I checked कि माइका का कट ऑफ कितना है, 45, 40, 55 if you had seen.
But that is from the previous MyCat people. मेरे लिए भी बहुत shocking था वो.
हाँ मैं देखूंगा भाई मेरे को 18 है. Then I was like MyCat 2 में करना पड़ेगा कुछ. MyCat 2 में तो और कम है मुझे. I got 10.
Okay.
तो फिर IIM अहमदाबाद का आ गया था उतने में कट ऑफ. I didn't get it.
99 it came, right?
No मतलब वो कट ऑफ थोड़ी ना निकालते हैं. They just composite score के basis पे they take people.
Right. हाँ.
तो I didn't get in. And I thought कि I would be able to get in because CA का ना कट ऑफ कम होता है. They because you get points for becoming for being a CA as well. I had a friend who had gotten IIM Ahmedabad and she got 97 percentile.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Okay.
But her academics were really good. That's the other thing. But yeah, I didn't get into IIM Ahmedabad. And I think the major reason for that was I was not a fresher. I had worked there. I had a year, 1 year का experience ना. But CAT मेरा experience सिर्फ 11 months consider करता है क्योंकि वो 31st July को cut off करता है. And as on 31st July, I had only worked 11 months. Although I had worked till September, I had worked for 12 months. But उन्होंने 11 months ही consider किया. तो ना तो मुझे fresher का advantage मिला, ना मुझे experience के point मिले. तो मेरा बीच में रह गया. तो I didn't get call from the top 6 IIMs.
Okay.
I got Kozhikode का finance, but that's not the flagship course.
हाँ.
तो फिर मुझे लगा क्या हो गया ये. फिर MICA का call आया and I had got IFT, IIT Bombay. I had some good calls in hand.
Okay.
But I really wanted MICA out of all of them. Okay. Then we met in GEPI.
Yeah.
Then
we are here.
actually out of our group of 8, I think 6 people.
6 people got.
Yeah, 6 people got into MICA. So it was a really good group, I think.
Our group was so balanced and like crazy.
Yeah.
4 लड़कियां 4 लड़के.
Yeah.
4 engineer 4 non-engineer. CA.
Yeah.
By the way, I would like to mention here. So when I met you in the GPI का process, I was like, you seem like a very structured kind of a guy. क्योंकि CA हो तो वो CA जब बोला तब तो ऐसा हो कि हाँ ये तो ऐसा structured आदमी रहेगा, पढ़ाकू रहेगा. And then you said PwC, I was like हाँ, I am right. But then we went into the G का as a room and we started making those reels.
Yeah.
And then you sang Shik Shack Shop.
Yeah.
And that was like okay, नहीं ये कुछ अलग है.
Correct.
There, मतलब I went home and I told my sister who is also doing CA, and she was like, how is a CA working at PwC dancing on Shik Shack Shop?
I mean, we also are entertaining people. CA है तो ऐसा नहीं कि we got our life sucked out of us. We did, but वापस मिल जाती है.
Okay. Because
do you know Siddhant Chaturvedi, the actor Gully Boy वाला? He उसका CA finally बाकी था. So he then quit. He then became an actor. It really worked out for him.
Oh wow.
Yeah. And you know तारक मेहता में पोपट लाल. हाँ. He was also उसका भी CA final बाकी था. उसके पहले उसको acting gig मिल गया था.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh nice. That is crazy. मतलब है.
Very irrelevant, but yeah.
नहीं but creative लोग हैं.
हाँ.
It's not like सब पढ़ाकू and sit alone and study kind of.
Yeah. And one more thing, why I switched because was I thought कि मेरी जो long term growth है वो वहाँ पे, although I was functioning really well in PwC also, although I did not like the work at all, but I was मतलब उधर अच्छा चल रहा था मेरा. Like I was put into development. Basically when you enter you are put into QA, which is you have to check whether what the client wanted and what the development team had made was correct. And then you're put into development धीरे ऐसे. It's not coding. I was shifted into development जल्दी. So I was doing good there. People were happy with me. But then I was like कि no, I can't do this in long term. So I thought कि मैं अगर वो काम करूँगा जो मुझे पसंद है, the thing that, and I didn't, one more thing, I didn't have any financial pressure from my family. If you do have financial pressure, then I do get कि करना पड़ता है, you know, audit में जाना पड़ता है या tax में जाना पड़ता है. क्योंकि उन्हें they want to earn the maximum amount of money and that's where the maximum amount of money is.
In tax and audit.
Yeah. Tax, audit, finance, the core fields. तो मेरे पास option था by God's grace कि मैं कुछ और कर सकता हूँ. So I was like I'll do something in marketing. Okay. Because I really like the field and I was like if I will do something that I like तो long term में मेरी उधर growth होगी ज़्यादा. Great.
Nice.
So yeah.
So now you are selected for MICA.
Yeah.
We are going in June. We'll get to a little bit of the marketing side, but before that, I want to ask you about CA ka few questions that the audience has.
Mm.
Like,
Sure.
I did a survey. I asked the people in my network, do you have any questions that I can ask the guest? One of the biggest question that everyone would have is like, what is the average salary that you can get once you become a CA?
Mm.
And I also want to ask you about articleship. So,
Okay.
dono ka salary range is what is it?
Okay, so once you become a CA, the salary range is around average is around 8 to 9 lakhs.
This is Big Four also or anything?
Big Four, Big Four you get 10,
Okay.
11.
Okay.
But in general, it's you can consider the average as 9 lakh
Okay. Across.
across. 9 lakh is average, but mostly if you clear in the first or second attempt, you'll get 12.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
First second attempt में clear करते हैं तो you get 12 in Big Four, 12 to 13.
In Big Four. Okay.
Big Four, and also in if you go into some banks, HDFC,
अच्छा.
ICICI, you get 11 तक मिल जाता है.
Okay.
So yeah. And for articleship, मेरा तो stipend बहुत कम था. I went into Bansi Mehta. Their stipend when I joined was 2,000, 2,500 and 3,000. So 2,000 for the first year, 2,500 for the second year, 3,000 for the third year. Because this was the minimum requirement as of for ICI. ICI ने rules निकाले हैं कि कितना इतना मिलना चाहिए, तो minimum was this, तो वो minimum ही follow कर रहे थे.
Okay.
फिर जब मेरा खत्म होने आया, so they had then increased it.
Okay.
Then it was like, I think 6,000, 7,500 and 10,000 on 7, 8.5, 10 ऐसे उन्होंने बढ़ा दिया था.
Okay. Okay.
So on average, I would say it is, if you join Big Four, then the average is 15, 20, 25 for first, second, third year.
Okay. This is by the monthly.
Monthly, yeah, monthly. 15,000, 20,000, 25,000. And if you join a mid firm, mid or small firm, I would say it would be around 5 to 10,000 के range में per month.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. And then छोटे रहे तो 2 to 3.
नहीं, छोटे भी उतना दे देते हैं.
अच्छा, अभी.
5 to 10 के बीच में.
Great. Because I've also heard कि articleship are those years where
Articleship is cheap labor.
हाँ.
Yeah, it is cheap labor. Now that they've reduced it to 2 years,
हाँ.
because in articleship in the final year, we do the same job as a newly joined CA does.
अच्छा.
बस हमारे में डिग्री का फर्क है
Okay.
और पे का फर्क है, और it's a good advantage for the firms, right?
हाँ.
क्योंकि उन्हें वही काम उतने में मिल रहा है,
हाँ.
and plus it is a give and take, because हमें भी काम सीखने मिल रहा है.
हाँ.
तो ठीक है, I won't say it's unfair, but ठीक है.
It's a system. So
Yeah,
that's how it works.
Game.
Okay, so that's about the salary. You already answered one of the question, which is how do you choose which area you want to work in? So you used like the
Elimination approach.
method.
Yeah.
Anything else you feel कि maybe Ronak or maybe some of your friends, how did they choose कि हाँ ये जो कर रहा हूँ बराबर कर रहा हूँ? Because the second question is like once you've joined, how do you like be happy with it? मतलब हो सकता है जैसे for you it was like consulting में you were working, but it was not the best.
Yeah.
So how do you manage that?
So I would say पहले 2-3 महीने तो have an open mind. Don't have a preconceived notion about anything. When I went into PwC, मेरा एक हफ्ते में mind बन गया, but I was like no, I'll wait 2-3 महीने, देखता हूँ काम कैसा है. You know कि preconceived notion आप पहले से ही ला दो तो फिर it's not good for you कि हो सकता है बाद में कुछ अच्छा हो and then you regret it. So 2-3 महीने टाइम दो, देखो कैसा है, क्या काम है, and then you decide. So I decided कि मेरा next step मेरा पहले से ही था ना marketing का, तो इसलिए I thought कि I need to go for that. But whatever your next step is, ask people who are already in the industry that you want to go in, what the work is actually like, and ask other people, talk to other people, and they'll help you figure out stuff.
Great.
Even for MICA, when the interview was happening, I messaged about 45 to 50 people on LinkedIn that were currently in Mica.
Okay.
कि आपका इंटरव्यू जब हुआ था तो आप what are the tips or things that you can tell which would have helped you, and people are really helpful. Like out of 45 to 50, I think 30 replied.
Yeah, and Mica alums are really helpful. Even I texted a few. I got a few people that helped me like a lot.
Yeah, same.
Like थोड़ा सा लग रहा था कि I hope I'm not taking a lot of your time.
Yeah.
But thank you so much.
Yeah. They're really helpful.
Yeah.
So I think you should go ask people what their experiences, and you will be able to figure out what you want to do then. But पहले 2-3 महीने preconceived notion मत रखो, open रहो. And I think you should have a good bond with your team because your team helps you survive. Like I survived 1 year in PwC because of the team that I had, because of the friends I had.
Nice. Great. Next question I want to ask about is the time when you were applying for many jobs and placement bhi tha after you became CEO. How do you choose which job to go for? Because you got a lot of offers.
Yeah.
So how do you choose between the offers?
Money. No, not just money. Role भी अच्छा होना चाहिए. How do you choose? It's a really difficult thing. I think one thing you could do is जो उधर actually काम कर रहे हैं उनसे पूछ लो कि कैसा है काम, क्या है. And usually अगर कोई बंदा frustrated होता है तो बता ही देगा तुम्हें कि मत आओ उधर, या फिर कुछ ऐसा होगा नेगेटिव तो बता देते हैं. तो वो कर सकते हो. एंड देन ऑब्वियसली वन फैक्टर इज मनी, कि तुम देखोगे कहाँ पे ज़्यादा मिल रहा है, क्या कम मिल रहा है. एंड द कंपनी, कि अगर कोई बड़ी कंपनी है तो जॉब इज स्टेबल एंड यू कैन ऑब्वियसली आजकल तो 2-2 साल में यू स्विच, यू गेट हाइक 30% हाइक. एंड इफ यूर तो आई वुड से स्टार्टिंग में कोई बड़ी कंपनी में जाओ जिससे कि जब तुम्हें स्विच लेना हो तो फिर यू हैव अ गुड नेम ऑन योर रेज्यूमे. Yes, I also had one more thing to add. I was not good in academics in 10th, 12th. I got 85%, 86% in 10th and 12th. That's average. In CBSE उतना मिल जाता है. मेरा 11th, 12th भी स्कूल था. That's where I met like 3 of my best friends. Okay. I'll give a shout out. रौनक, जसमिंदर, जॉनथ. ये 3 मुझे वहीं पे मिले. और भी लोग बाकी मिले अभी, बट ये अभी स्कूल की बात हो रही है इसलिए बता रहा हूँ. ऑफेंड मत होना कोई. So मेरा नाम कैसे नहीं है. So I was a really average kid in my school. मतलब 11th में तो मैं फेल भी हुआ in accounts. I got like a really bad marks in maths. I failed. So you don't need to be really good in academics for you to excel later. If basically अगर तुम अपना mindset change कर देते हो कि क्योंकि स्कूल में अगर कोई ट्राई नहीं कर रहा तो उसे गंदे मार्क्स आते हैं. I didn't really try in school. When I tried in CA directly, I would say. उसके पहले मैंने try नहीं किया कभी कि मैं पढ़ के marks लाऊं. तो if you're not getting the marks, if you don't have good marks in 10th, 12th or your whole academic life, don't put yourself down कि यार मुझे तो अच्छे marks आते नहीं, I am this kind of student. Don't put a tag on yourself. If you put your effort, if you put hard work, if you like do it, then you will be able to achieve good results. I genuinely feel that. कोई डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग तो होती नहीं ना कि ये स्मार्ट है, ये नहीं है, ये नहीं. ऑब्वियसली ठीक है, थोड़ा सा हो जाता है, बट इन जनरल इफ यू आर एबल टू पुट योर हार्ड वर्क, जेन्युइनली पढ़ाई करोगे कैट की, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग कैट देंगे, बहुत सारे लोग सीए देंगे. जेन्युइनली अगर पढ़ाई करोगे, एफर्ट लगा के, टाइम दे के, तो आई फील यू विल बी एबल टू क्लियर एनीथिंग जेन्युइनली. एंड वन मोर थिंग दैट आई डिड डू वाज यू कैन डिसाइड टू डू इट और नॉट. कि जब भी कोई बड़ा एग्जाम होता है ना, सीए का, कैट का, आई यूज्ड टू लीव समथिंग, आई यूज्ड टू नॉट डू समथिंग दैट आई रियली लाइक. जैसे मुझे फीफा खेलना पसंद था दोस्तों के साथ, तो फिर मैंने वो बंद कर दिया था. उसके अलावा मतलब मैं फिर चाय पीने चल जाता था, बट फीफा, लाइक आई रियली लाइक्ड फीफा, सो आई स्टॉप्ड डूइंग दैट टिल द रिजल्ट्स. देन आई अगेन स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग. देन फॉर आई रियली लाइक स्वीट्स. I really like chocolates. So I left sweets, I think, for CA final, the second attempt. Or the first, I don't remember, but एक के लिए छोड़ा था.
Like 3-4 महीने you didn't have sweets.
हाँ, मिठाई, मतलब chocolates खा रहा था मैं, but मिठाई जो दिमाग में, I had a certain definition. But you have to, the rule is you have to leave something that you really like. You can't half-ass it.
Nice.
तो दैट्स व्हाट आई फॉलो, क्योंकि वो होता है ना, एक लाइन है बॉलीवुड की, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है, ऑल्दो वेरी क्लीशे, बट आई थिंक इट सो व्हेन द सेल्फ डाउट किक्स इन ड्यूरिंग एग्जाम में तुम रूम में घुस रहे हो, तुम सोचो कि तुमने पढ़ाई की है कि नहीं की है, तो देन ऑल दी स्मॉल रीअश्योरेंसेस हेल्प यू इन द एग्जाम
कि ये कर लिया,
हाँ मैंने पढ़ाई की है, मैंने ये चीजें छोड़ी है, मैंने ये किया है, सो दैट यू नो गिव्स योर self validation. You can give yourself validation by it.
Great.
Maybe.
That is really amazing and I'm sure बहुत लोगों को ये help करेगा and I mean they have to apply it but
Yeah.
If they apply this will help because a lot of people feel this. मेरे खुद के friends, मैं खुद जब when you study even let's say for CAT you feel कि अरे इसके पहले पढ़ाई की नहीं है,
हाँ,
अभी हो पाएगी क्या?
And I'm telling you, if you genuinely study, you will be able to do it. मैं तो I call myself like the most average guy ever in studies. Average भी से भी नीचे यार बहुत बार तो. But जैसे ही मैंने hard work डाला, जैसे ही मैंने I applied myself to it, I was able to do it. But the only thing is you have to do it. You have to put in the hours. But don't be afraid कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा तो मैं रह नहीं देता हूँ, मैं पहले से छोड़ देता हूँ. Follow, discipline रखो, हो जाएगा.
Amazing. One last question
Yeah.
about your job at PwC. It is a big company. So one question that I got from the survey is, does upskilling even matter at big company? Like doing courses for skills, Coursera, whatever. Does it really matter? Does it really change something or not?
I didn't do any courses, but because I wanted to quit, तो इसलिए फिर relevant नहीं था. But people do keep doing courses. I think if you have the bandwidth with you in your work, जैसे 8 घंटे में से तुम्हें 2-3 घंटे ही काम है, तो you should do upskilling courses because when you switch to another company, then it definitely helps. And even in your company, when you have a new project, so you can say कि you know I've done this, I've studied for this, then you can back yourself up when you request something.
Okay. And anyways nowadays market बहुत skill oriented हो गया है.
हाँ.
So skills would definitely pay.
I would say if you want a different role within your firm, then you should do that work and directly show it to people that I want to switch and मैंने अब तक ये किया है इसके बारे में. तो then they would be impressed, कि अच्छा इसने पहले से ये कर लिया, अभी मतलब out of the way जाके किया है. For example, me, I made marketing campaigns for existing brands. मतलब खुद से ही कि मैंने वो Canva पे मैंने edit किया, उसके campaign लिखे, ऐसे करके I made a blog for Mica कि Mica में पूछेंगे कि why should we select you, what if you don't have creativity.
Okay.
And in general for my own creativity अच्छा था because I left my job in September. CAT was in December. From December to I would say March, I didn't have anything to do really.
Okay.
Not March, February. Yeah, I was chilling.
हाँ फिर इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट हुए तब तक.
हाँ तब तक कुछ था ही नहीं.
Right.
तो तब तक फिर मुझे लगा कि मैं ब्लॉग कर देता हूँ वगैरह ये सब. And you definitely don't need to leave your job for CAT. If अगर तुम्हारे जॉब में crazy hours नहीं है तो I left it because I didn't like the job and I had to leave it anyway. So I was like, why not leave it? But you don't have to leave it. You can do it along with. ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि नहीं कर सकते, बट तुम्हारे पास टाइम होना चाहिए कि 8 घंटे ही है तो 8 घंटे ही काम करो, आगे तुम्हें एक्स्ट्रा वर्क आवर्स नहीं बैठना, वीकेंड नहीं बैठना पड़ता. तो if your work is chill, then you can do it along with that. I know people that have done it and have gotten to IIM Ahmedabad also.
Okay.
By the way, interesting fact, so right now I'm interning in Reliance for a month in marketing.
Okay.
For a marketing role.
Nice.
Because I thought कि मैं माइका जा रहा हूँ तो 1 महीने पहले थोड़ा देख लेता हूँ क्या रहता है marketing का, because I've never worked in marketing, right? Okay. So there I have a senior there, she's from Mica, so she was saying कि उसके batch में उनके batch में there was this girl who had rejected a seat from IIM Ahmedabad and went into Mica.
Oh.
Yeah, that was crazy. I would have never done that.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
That shows Mica.
Yeah, I was like that was extremely validating.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
That is validating.
Yeah.
Damn. That's a great segue into marketing now. You said कि you created campaigns for existing brands. That is something which is called pseudo portfolio.
Oh, I don't know.
It's
Okay.
it's a thing.
Mhm.
Like some big name has made it. One of the episodes in Above the Average, Gaurav Dasgupta was on this episode, and he told me about this. Ki if you're in a creative field
Mhm.
and you don't have like a degree
Work,
or
yeah.
work, you don't have any experience, so make something,
Yeah,
make your
definitely.
pseudo portfolio, and that will help you.
And if I'm hiring someone and he has already, like, I can see their work, I can see that they have gone, above and beyond, कि थोड़ा out of the way जाके effort लिए, so that would definitely be impressive, It will help you.
Exactly. By the way, fun fact, I got my jobs, both my jobs, because of my podcast.
Oh, really?
Yes, there I will be creating content around it, but like I will be talking about it later. But
Nice.
yeah, that's something. ठीक है. Before we go towards a game, would you rather game? I want to ask you, what do you expect from your time ahead going into marketing? Because you are a CA, you have like that hunger for creativity and marketing and
Yeah.
advertising,
Yeah.
but you don't know yet, right?
I don't know it, yeah.
So what do you expect?
Right now I'm not expecting anything. I am going with an open mind. जो होगा अच्छा होगा. I will not chill there. I will do everything that I can. So फिर if I'm doing, मतलब काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें कर रहा हूँ तो उसमें मुझे कहीं ना कहीं figure out हो जाएगा. Right now I don't even know which part of marketing I want to go for. Marketing में ही बहुत है ना, मुझे digital, SEO, CRM, brand analytics, advertising campaigns and all. मतलब बहुत है, उसमें भी बहुत है, तो फिर I have to figure it out, but I think I'll be able to figure out. So not expecting anything, just going in with the open mind.
Great.
Yeah.
It has been a pleasure talking to you. Really a pleasure. मतलब काफी मजा आया बात करने में. Before I let you go, I have a game. I want to ask you 3 questions. Would you rather questions?
Okay.
So I'll start with the first one. Would you rather work at a company which you do not like, but the package is insane? Or would you rather work at a company where you love the work, but the package is not so good?
I think I would work at a company which I don't like for an insane package, and then I would shift and make my own company or something from that money.
Very practical answer.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
Okay. Second question is, would you work as a subordinate, but in the work that is the most creative, most challenging, and you love it? Or would you work as a manager where you are the decision maker and you are celebrated, but it's not creative? So what would you choose?
I would choose the first option. I'm fine with that. I think good work rewards you in the long run. Somewhere or other you will get rewarded. So I feel that.
And then you would also be happy with the
Yeah. And I don't have anything for titles. I'm like, titles are irrelevant everywhere you go. They are just titles like CEO, marketing manager, associate. These subtitles. So
Nice.
it doesn't really matter to me. But yeah, for some people that do, ठीक है, वो भी सही है.
Right. Okay, and last is 9 to 5 versus no schedule.
9 to 5 versus no schedule. 9 to 5 versus no schedule. If I'm doing something for myself, as in if I have a YouTube channel or if I have my own company, then I think no schedule.
Then you don't have an option.
Yeah, but I think 9 to 5. I like to have balance.
Okay.
बाद में family होगी 9 to 5.
Great. Again, a very practical answer.
Yeah.
Chalo, that was amazing. Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure talking to
It
you.
was a pleasure as well. Same.
Thank you so much for doing this.
This was my first ever podcast, by the way. It was a really good experience. मैं घर पे सब दोस्तों को सब बोल के आया हूँ कि पॉडकास्ट पे आ रहा हूँ, इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं मेरा. So that was really good. And also this was something just putting out in the universe. I think I will also do something on in the digital space, like a not influencer, but you know,
Like
I'll make
content.
YouTube video, yeah, make content or something. Maybe later. I haven't gotten around to doing it yet, but I think I will do it in the future. I don't know when, but I think I will do it.
Future Manav.
Yeah. If you have not done it yet, slap yourself.
Come back to this episode, watch this entirely, and then
Yeah.
listen to yourself.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much, guys, if you have made it till the end of the episode. It really was a very fun conversation with you. I'm sure with the questions and the way that you answered them, anyone who is doing CA, first level, second level, third level, I'm sure they will be benefited from this. And anyone who has that creative kida inside them and are still doing CA, a very it is a non-creative
Yeah.
job.
मतलब it is highly perspective based.
Yeah.
Creative है कि नहीं है?
Some people might find creativity.
Yeah. मतलब I know some people that really enjoy it genuinely.
Okay.
So it depends on you.
Enjoyable, that's a different story. But creativity, I believe, depends person to
Yeah,
person.
person to person. If you tell कि तुम्हारा job creative नहीं है, so it's very offensive to other people. तो क्योंकि creativity perspective driven है, हो सकता है उसको अपनी job में अपनी creativity दिखती हो.
Yeah. Anyone who is like Siddharth Chaturvedi or Manav Sethi, who is doing CA and thinks ki they can do something creative or something into marketing or some other field, any field. I'm sure our conversation today, your story, your journey will help them. Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah, and if you want to know anything more about the CA part, you can tell Chaitanya, he'll make a separate short video for you guys.
Yes, definitely. I'll come to you again to ask you any
Done.
more detailed questions, or we'll get back with such another episode
Yeah, done.
for a podcast.
Done. It was, I had a really good time. It was a really nice conversation. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, man. Alright, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Hi. Oh, this is the outro. I mean, I thought intro shoot कर लिया है तो ये भी कर लेते हैं. But इधर तो कोई देख रहा है, like, hello? अगर देख भी रहे हो तो वैल्यू एडेड जो भी था पॉडकास्ट हो गया है. You can leave. See you in the next one. Come back for the next one. But अभी मैं बस टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ. पता नहीं क्यों. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.